What's up YouTube, Hoping Uncle Barbecue back with you again. Today we're talking about how easy is it to clean up the ballistic griddle. Somebody left a comment, I think it was Rob Barbecue Pit Dog. I'll have a link up to his channel somewhere, whatever fucking site it's on, I don't care. Alright, so here's what the ballistic griddle looks like after sitting in the driveway for damn near 24 hours. Alright, so we got a scrub daddy and just some cold water. Scrub Daddy's a great tool when it's used with cold water. It makes the sponge hard, and if you get it with warm water, it basically turns soft. I'm not going to go into the fine details, but as you can see, this thing's pretty clean. I'll grab a paper towel. Alright, we'll get this wiped off. We've basically gotten most everything. Now she's about ready to go into the dishwasher. Alright, so you guys know me. I do stupid shit. And I just did stupid shit, and I called Greg, and he's going to try to walk me through this, but this pin sits here. And you think to yourself, I'll pull this out and then I can take this whole thing apart. Greg confirmed that's a bad fucking idea as I'm learning, and I'm sitting here trying to get this to wedge in between here. So don't ever do that if you have one. But hey, brute force prevails and Hobo gets it back together again. Alright, so in conclusion, we learned, number one, never pull that pin out because that is a major pain in the ass to get back in. Number two, the ballistic griddle is pretty darn easy to clean up. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.